Welcome back. Now, in our state of addiction coverage, an Ohio sheriff is passing out fentanyl strips to addicts in his town in hopes of curbing the overdose deaths there. Right here in our own backyard, we've seen a huge increase in similar overdose deaths. So could this new initiative be promoting drug use, or is it actually saving lives? It's a big question. And joining us live this morning, we have Dr. Raichbach from the Ambrosia Treatment Centers in Jupiter. Thank you so much
for having
being here.
Thank you for having me.
It's a big question. I mean, are you helping or just kind of condoning what's going on with these things?
Well, you've mentioned the word promoting, and it is a promotion, but it's not a promotion for drug use. This is a promotion for safety and awareness. Look, drug addicts are going to use, and why they choose to use, well, we can fill libraries as to the reasons why. The question is, do they choose to overdose? And the answer is no. If this is a promotion, it says, hey, before you put this junk in your body, take a look at what you have in front of you. It may act as a deterrent.
Yeah, and hopefully it really does give people a reason to at least pause for a second, to give them that extra chance to think about, is this what I want to do? But this is also not the first time that an initiative like this has been used.
Correct, and we've had actually two initiatives in the past. One was the exchange of needles, where addicts were able to drop off dirty, used needles in exchange for sterile ones, and the promotion was to promote safety and awareness again, reduce the chances of contracting certain illnesses. And we also had the dispensing of condoms back in the days to promote safety and awareness with safer sex practices. And it had its own controversies, but it was proven that it was actually a very helpful initiative.
Yeah, I was going to say, boy, you really, once you bring up the condoms thing, there's this moral debate that almost kind of goes along with a lot of these touchy subjects. The question is, ultimately, and I know you probably know more of the statistics, does this save lives?
That's the hope. Look, we can't no longer wait for clients to just walk in and get help that they need. You know, there is initiatives and there is public awareness. There's a reduction of stigma that we're driving. But in between the clients using and the clients coming in for treatment, we need something else. And if it saves one single life, then it's absolutely worth it.
Well, we know there are so many centers, like you said, that try to wait for people to come in. We've seen legislative attempts at funding more programs that can help addicts. But do you ever see a point when we can get on top of this drug epidemic as a community?
I'd like to stay optimistic. It's what I do for a living. Yeah. This is a long-fought war, and it's been fought for quite many years. But we're winning battles. We need to, again, we need to make public aware that there is treatment centers. There is to help out there. We want to have families and individuals understand that all it takes is a phone call. Can we ever get on top of this war? Well, we would hope so, but we've still got a ways to go.
All right, and I like the optimism that you have. We want to keep moving that forward, too. Thank you so much for being here with us this morning.
Thank you.
Sandra, I'm going to send things over to you now.
Okay, very dry out there right now. Across our water vapor imagery, we're seeing nothing but a sea of orange, indicating the stability of high pressure. So, translation.